Hello Filmora editors. Welcome to the Filmora video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to easily create a split screen using Filmora templates. Filmora has a range of inbuilt split screen templates that will simplify the process and allow you to create a stunning split screen video quickly. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. I have imported some videos. You can import any type of video. Go to Templates and select Split Screen. Today I will show basic split screen. In this menu, you will find lots of split screen options. Add a split screen to the timeline. Click on the Advance option of the split screen. In the Advance option of the split screen, you have to just drag and drop videos. You can also change the size and position of the video here. You can adjust the length of the video from this option. Here I am showing another example of split screen. Using this you can add 5 videos on one screen. You can choose any of them that split screen suits your project best. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.